Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going on this video how top students only study 2 hours. It's some it's some tips based on an approach by science. It's proved by science. So the first thing is to use the Pomodoro techniques. It's how it works. You work with concentration, with pure concentration, no distraction during 25 minutes. No phone, no social media, only work on your things, work on your topics during 25 minutes. No distraction. And after that, you will have a break of 5 minutes. 5 minutes that you can relax your mind, clear your mind, doing all your distraction. But you have to get up on your workspace. You must get up on your workspace to change your mind. And also, don't use your phone. You can repeat the cycle for 4 times or 3 times. After that, you can take a break of 15 minutes or 10 minutes. It depends on you, or 20 minutes. It depends on you, but not much. You can repeat the whole cycle, a cycle of four. You can repeat it 2 times. It will help you have a good productivity, a high concentration. You will be effective in your work. Second thing is to use active recall. You can use like the Feynman techniques, which contribute to write after learning the things. Close your books, close your book and write on a paper all you know about what you learn. You will test your knowledge, and you will see the level you are on these topics. You can also use schema or mind mapping. You can draw things, listen. You are not supposed to write. You can draw, use schema to better understand. Also, an important thing is to break what you learn. Like if you want to learn math, science, and also a language, you can every day work for every subject 20 minutes or 30 minutes, and do it for the week. Break all, and don't like take the mathematics and work for 1 hour a day and change after a day. You can break it and do it together. An important thing also, and very important thing, is your environment. You must clean your environment. Environment must be clean. It will help you to a better concentration. It will shift your mind when you start study. This is what top students do, working 2 hours only and be the best. Do it and you will achieve many things.